Assalamu alaikum, Zhiguli Travel is greeting you from Hurghada. Hurghada is a popular tourist destination located on Egypt's Red Sea coast. This charming resort city houses traditional Egyptian bazaars, charming local shops and Islamic mosques. Its lively atmosphere reflects typical Egyptian life. Take the following tour to visit some of the most popular locations in Hurghada and discover its characteristic way of life. GPSmycity offers 2 different self-guided walking tours in Hurghada to help you explore the city. Today we will follow the Hurghada Daily Life Tour. For a full detailed walk, check the GPSmycity app. Our first stop, Hurghada Marina Boulevard. Hurghada Marina Boulevard is an excellent shopping area where you will find everything from big brand names and designer labels including Nike, Timberland, Gucci and Armani to traditional Egyptian products such as lamps, plates, sweets, authentic shisha pipes, charming perfumes and gold and silver work. You can also get great discounts in restaurants on less busy periods. Just ask in advance. A 5-minute walk down the Hurghada Road will take us to Mosque Al Jihad. The Al Jihad Mosque is a beautiful Egyptian mosque located on Sheraton Road near the Hotel Amir. The mosque is an excellent example of classical Arab architecture, with 2 tall minarets that can be seen from afar. Mosque Al Jihad is a popular place of worship in Hurghada. Many locals visit this mosque for Friday prayers. Mosque could be closed outside the praying times. Located on the busy Sheraton Road, there's Arosa Square. Arosa Square is a small pleasant square and an important roundabout on Sheraton Road. Located opposite the Hotel Sea Garden, it houses a beautiful statue of a mermaid, which reminds visitors of Hurghada's majestic marine setting. Sheraton Road is one of the main streets in the city and is home to many modern hotels, trendy bars, tempting cafes, local shops, bazaars, shopping centers and other businesses. Here you will find everything you will need, from fresh fruits, vegetables and local spices to high-quality Egyptian textiles, wonderful hand-woven carpets, souvenirs, leather products and many other interesting things. Our final stop, Souk, located on the same Sheraton Road. Souk is a multi-story contemporary mall located in Hurghada. Souk is a popular shopping venue which offers everything from original souvenirs and gifts to clothing and food. However, during COVID-19 pandemic, it was temporarily closed, but will be reopened sometime in 2021. We hope you enjoyed this travel guide of Hurghada, and we are looking forward for you to join us on our next adventure in the near future. Take care, guys!